What's going on, YouTube? Got a front lip. Came in today. Actually came in early. I ordered this like a couple days ago. So we're gonna be changing the front lip on the CTSV. Actually, this lip right here was $88 on eBay, which is a good price. It's the same as the more expensive ones. As far as the lip that I have now, if you haven't seen my previous videos, these are the stock CTSV little splitter things that they have, but they're all kind of rashed up from just wear and tear. And then this center section right here, I used to have a 2015 GT 5.0, and the OEM lip, you can actually cut that and it fits perfectly right here. So I made that section and then connected it over there. But this shit is junk now. As you can see, it's all torn up and everything. So I went ahead and ordered this one off eBay for 88 bucks. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you guys. Alright, so after getting it out of the package and everything, this is what the lip looks like. I believe the hardware came with some extra hardware right here and some cheap ass Chinese 2-way sticky tape. I have 3M. Don't ever use their 2-way sticky tape. If you can get 3M, always get 3M. That stuff have your shit flying off on the road somewhere. But as you can see, it's like a plastic black color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this black and put some gloss black on it, make it look really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, so I just got out the AutoZone, picked up some Rust-Oleum paint, gloss black, and then I already have clear coat at home. So head to the house, get this thing sprayed up. What is it? 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I have not ate all day, so I have to stop, pick up some Panda. You know, I get that orange chicken, that white steamed rice. That's good, man. All right, guys, so we got the makeshift paint booth right here. You know what I'm saying? Top notch, high quality. The lip is actually really flimsy. And I'm guessing that's for flexibility, which is pretty good, but it also makes the lip seem a little cheap. I mean, it was on the cheaper side. It's at what, $88, $90? I think it was like $90 plus tax. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this painted. As you can see, it's like a dull plastic color right now. We're gonna hit this gloss black Rust-Oleum on it. So let me go ahead and start spraying. All right, so we got our gloss clear on there. Not gloss clear, gloss black. We're gonna go ahead and hit it with the gloss clear coat on it, and then I'll go ahead and spray it, put some clear coat on this thing. All right, so we got this thing jacked up. It looks like under here we got just clips, and I think it is just clips and maybe a 7mm bolt right there, and that's it. And then as far as these are the screws that I put in for my lip. Look at that, it's already coming off. That's how you know it's time to take that shit out of here. But yeah, let me go get started on this. All right, so we got the old pieces out. These are the old ones. As you guys can see, these have been through hell, man. These things have been scraped up everywhere. I promise that wasn't me that did this, but anyways, we got to put the new lip on. And this being the year that it is, you can still see like some wear and tear from just, you know, scraping and stuff like that. And now that it's lowered, it probably would have been a little bit worse. But we do have the new lip, black, gloss black, clear coated and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and get this ready to put on there. So
dust ass car.
Woo! Look at it, he over here. Sit. You look like you black now. You about the color of your shirt. Look, we got both pieces off. Sorry. Now we gotta get ready to put this shit on here. So let's try a test fit it, man. Gotta see exactly where it clips on at. So this is our makeshift lip that we have. Custom Mustang parts, OEM CTSV parts. So we're out with the old, in with the new. Let me drop it down a little bit. Like 10 times, man. Yeah, that's way better. It's 85 bucks for $90. And then all it'll cost you is what, I mean, parts wise, you need a 7mm for some nuts, a ton of there, some screws, screwdriver, maybe a drill, and that's it. You got this right here. 10 times better. And then I painted it, put the black gloss on it. It's good, man. Probably put the link below. Put a link in the description so y'all can go check it out. $90. Way better. She'll make the front end look a lot better too.
Yeah, it should pop it.
Yeah, especially with them all crystal cracked up like this. We got some rain. It's been rainy out here, so it's a little gloomy, but way better now. It looks way different, man. So we do have some new parts in. I think I'm gonna save this for the next video. Let me take a guess. Try to guess what this is. I'm not gonna show it. I'll say that. But my birthday is in, what's today? 15th? 2 days. So my birthday is on the 17th. So we do got some mods. Thinking about wrapping the car. I'm either gonna wrap it or we're gonna go with a better fuel system. So give me some hints. What you guys think I should do? Should I go with a wrap or should I upgrade the fuel system? We can go with some methanol, or we can wrap this thing like a wolf gray, purple, bright red, royal blue. I don't know, man. I need some guesses. I know a lot of y'all watch the channel. We got a lot of V owners on here, so let me know what you guys think. You think it should be wrapped? We should go with some more power. I'm thinking more power, honestly. It's just with the black, you know, get a lot of swirls sometimes cleaning it. I'm tired of the black, dealing with the black. I have a car cover over the car constantly. It rains, even though the car cover's over it, you still get, you know, water that lands on it, stuff like that. A wrap will make it look a lot better, easier to clean, and there's not a lot of V's out there with different colors on them. So, but we do got new parts already edging towards what I wanted to do. Leave a comment down below what you guys think that is, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, I'm trying to make a decision. Should I go with more power or should I go with a wrap, man? Let me know what you guys think. But that's the front lip. I'm gonna leave the description down below in the bottom if y'all want to go order it. It's on eBay, like little under $100. It's better than those 2 OEM splitters that you get. Much better, easy to paint, spray it black, put some gloss on it, and you're great. Only thing, it does stick out a little bit, so when you walk you might bump it. It is flexible, so if you're going up your driveway, it is good. It flexes, it doesn't sit there and crack on you and stuff like that. So, but I appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate you liking the video if you are. Subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more video, more content coming. Thank you.